Yesterday, we brought you 2020's most sought-after interview, a grilling of Rhea Chakravarti, the girlfriend of Sushant Singh Rajput, in which we asked her a range of questions and she answered many of them. Some of them were not convincing, although there were some inconsistencies, which I'm going to tell you about in just a short while from now. Now, India Today has accessed the CBI question list. Rhea Chakravarti has been questioned for 6 hours and counting. Even as I bring you this show live, she is being questioned in Mumbai at the DRDO guest house. And those questions that she's being asked are also questions that India Today asked Rhea yesterday. We're going to break down all of those big questions and then you get to hear what Rhea said to India Today. We can't promise that we can tell you what she tells the CBI. What we can tell you is that the same questions were asked by us and we'll show you her answers. Question number one, did you give any medicines to Sushant? Is a question that we can confirm has been asked by the CBI today to Rhea Chakravarti. We asked her that same question. Here's what she said.
Absolutely not. Sushant was taking the medication on his own. Sometimes if I was there, I would give it to him. Sometimes if he asked someone to give it to him, they would pass it to him. Sometimes you tell me if your partner is suffering from not just depression, any other illness, and they are sick, what is the most natural thing to do? Babu, dawai le lo na. That's about it.
Question two that we can confirm to you that the CBI is asking or will ask Rhea Chakravarti, did you inform Sushant Singh Rajput's family about his health before moving out on the 8th of June, 6 days before his death? Again, a question that India Today asked Rhea. Take a look at her answer.
जब कोई इंसान मेंटल हेल्थ, डिप्रेशन या किसी भी हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम से गुजर रहा होता है तो फैमिली का वहां होना बहुत जरूरी होता है. इस बात को मैं समझती हूँ, जानती हूँ, मानती हूँ. इसीलिए मैं चाहती थी कि उनकी बहन आए और तो ही मैं जाऊं. तो जिस दिन मैं निकली, आई इंश्योर्ड कि मीतू सुशांत सिस्टर वहां पे हूं और वो थी.
Remember, it was Sushant Singh's family, his father, who filed an FIR blaming Rhea Chakravarti for the death of their son Sushant Singh Rajput, and therefore a large part of the questioning is likely to be, in fact it's definitely going to be about her relationship with Sushant Singh Rajput's family. How did she answer that question when India Today asked her the very same thing? Take a look.
मेरे और उनके परिवार के रिश्ते कुछ खास नहीं थे. They were strained from inception. शुरुआत से काफी तकलीफें थी. उनकी फैमिली को मैं अब तो जायज ही हो, क्लियर ही हो गया कि बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं हूं.
Number four, that we know that the CBI is asking Rhea Chakravarti today, did you take professional decisions on behalf of Sushant Singh Rajput? This has been another allegation by the family that she had put certain conditions and she was taking professional decisions on behalf of Sushant Singh Rajput, the films he acted in, the money he made, etc., etc. She had taken control over his life is one of those allegations that the CBI is questioning her about. We put that same question to Rhea. Here's what she said.
Allegation तो लगा है, लेकिन आप
ये प्यार नहीं था. This was a relationship you were exploiting.
आप रूमी जाफरी जी से भी ये बात जरूर पूछेगा कि किस वे में ये पिक्चर बनते बनते बन रही थी. एक दिन वाटर स्टोर में बैठे बैठे हम लोग एक गोविंदा सर की फिल्म देख रहे थे और सुशांत ने बोला हीरो नंबर 1 और बोला कि यार ये पिक्चर किसने लिखी है, मुझे उनके साथ काम करना है. और फिर उसने गूगल किया और उसे पता चला कि रूमी जाफरी ने लिखी है. तो उन्होंने खुद रूमी जाफरी को फोन किया. वो अकेले उनसे मिलने गए. उन्होंने बोला सर आप लिखेंगे, रिया एक्ट्रेस होंगी, मैं हीरो होऊंगा, करें.
Question number 5, another angle that's going to be dwelt upon very, very deeply. What led to the splitting apart of Rhea Chakravarti and Sushant Singh Rajput in order to try and figure out the circumstances under which she left his home on the 8th of June, 6 days before his death? Had they broken up? Was there a fight? What had really happened? We dwelt on that as well. Here's what Rhea Chakravarti said to us.
सुशांत ने मुझे कहा उसका घर छोड़ने के लिए, क्योंकि आपको कोई बोलेगा यहां से चले जाओ, गो, आप प्लीज जाओ, अभी आपका हो गया. आज मेरी तबीयत खराब हुई है, आज मुझे वही प्रॉब्लम हो रही है जो कि एक पर्सन हु सफरिंग फ्रॉम मेंटल हेल्थ, उनके स्पाउस या गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड को अक्सर उनके साथ रहते रहते ये सेम प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है। ये जानते हुए आप मुझे कह रहे हैं आप प्लीज जाइए। इससे मैं टूट चुकी थी, मैं पूरी खत्म हो चुकी थी, वैसे ही मुझे एंजाइटी थी।
Question number 6 in the CBI's grilling of Riya Chakravarti. Did you visit Sushant's house after learning about his death? We know that she went to the mortuary at the Cooper Hospital on that same day, but did you visit his house? Here's what she told India Today before she faced the same question from the CBI.
जी नहीं, मैं उनके घर नहीं गई। I broke down, I was completely shocked. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है। और मुझे बताया गया कि उनके फ्यूनरल में, उनकी लिस्ट में मेरा नाम नहीं है।
Question number 7 from the CBI to Riya Chakravarti. Why did you speak to Mumbai Police Bandra DCP Abhishek Trimukhe? Because the call records revealed that there were certain brief conversations between Abhishek Trimukhe, the DCP of the Bandra police station, and Riya Chakravarti. She had explained it once before through her lawyer. Here's what she said yesterday to India Today.
क्योंकि मैं एक विटनेस हूँ एक केस की जो वो इंटेरोगेट कर रहे हैं। मैं उस समय अक्यूज नहीं थी और मेरी मानसिक स्थिति इतनी कोई खास थी नहीं। मैं 3-4 बार जाके अपना स्टेटमेंट दे चुकी थी। उसके अलावा अगर मुझे कुछ बताना होता तो मैं उनको बता देती। और दूसरी बात, जिस कॉल्स की ये बात कर रहे हैं, ये मेरे डेथ थ्रेट्स और रेप थ्रेट्स के बाद शुरू हुए हैं। जब आपकी लाइफ को थ्रेट होता है तो आप किसे फोन करेंगे? अपने इलाके के सीनियर मोस्ट ऑफिशियल को जिसे आप जानते हो कि सर प्लीज मेरी हेल्प कीजिए, आई नीड प्रोटेक्शन, या सर मुझे ये FIR फाइल करना है।
Question number 8 from the CBI to Riya Chakravarti, which we also asked her. Did you stay in touch with Siddharth Pitani and Samuel Miranda after Sushant Singh Rajput's death? She has spoken extensively about this. We don't know what she's telling the CBI, but here's what she told us before she was summoned by the CBI.
एक्चुअली मेरी सिर्फ एक ही बार सिद्धार्थ पिटानी से बात हुई, वो भी ये होने के 14 जून से 1 महीने बाद ऑलमोस्ट, ये FIR के करीब। मैं जानबूझ के किसी से बात नहीं कर रही थी ताकि ऐसा आज जैसा दिन आए तो कोई ये ना कहे कि मैंने किसी को कुछ बोला कुछ करने के लिए।
Question 9 from the CBI to Riya Chakravarti. Did you force Sushant to consume any drugs? Remember, this has become a very, very substantive angle that has drawn in the Narcotics Control Bureau as well. It has brought in WhatsApp chats between Riya Chakravarti and others. All manner of drugs have also been named. A parallel investigation has also, started. This is a question that Riya has been asked by the CBI. She's likely to be summoned by the Narcotics Control Bureau. Here is what she told us yesterday when we asked Riya, did you force Sushant to consume drugs?
Absolutely not. In fact, I have a
Even
chat.
though he was on the habit, वो ड्रग पर है, लेकिन आपने कभी उनको encourage नहीं किया।
नहीं,
You
मैंने
didn't try to stop him.
I tried to stop him. I tried to stop him and I tried to tell him to reduce it. But it is something he would do.
And finally, based on those WhatsApp chats, and remember, we've chosen only 10 questions and here are the 10th. There are going to be many more questions to Riya from the CBI and there were many more questions that India Today asked her. Here's the 10th. Did you buy drugs for Sushant? Because that appears to have been the case from many WhatsApp conversations that have come out from the Enforcement Directorate. Specific question. Did you buy drugs for Sushant? Asks the CBI to Riya. Here's what she told India Today when we asked the same question.
यही बचा था ना अब मेरे ऊपर डालने के लिए कि इस लड़की को इतना क्रूसिफाई कर दो। मैं तो बोलती हूँ एक बंदूक के ले आओ, मेरी फैमिली लाइन से खड़ी हो जाएगी, गोली मार के उड़ा दो हमें, नहीं तो हम ही सुसाइड कर लेते हैं, फिर कौन रिस्पॉन्सिबल होगा?
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.